Well, hello everyone again. I have Godzilla, the king of the monsters, the the main character of Godzilla in the MonsterVerse. Of course, so some say King Kong is, or Kong is, but Godzilla is to me. I'm a Godzilla fan number one. We are split in our family. Some likes King Kong, some likes Godzilla. Mostly me, but Godzilla wins. This is from the MonsterVerse. This is another one from my toy haul from today. I did a giant Scar King, giant Godzilla, giant Kong, and now we got Battle War Godzilla Evolved. The monster battle sounds. It's try me button right there. You see my short. I played a little one, but not very good one. This is from Playmates also, if you guys can see there. Playmates, Legendary, and Toho. It's plus 4. It requires 3 button cell LR44 batteries. They're included in this. Let's check out the side. Also the crystals. And look at his face there, guys. He looks like he's about ready to mess something up. Let's check out the other side before we check out the back. Exact same thing like the bigger ones. Okay, let's hear the back here, guys. Kong and Godzilla. Godzilla and Kong return to all new adventure, pitting the mighty Kong and the fearsome Godzilla against the colossal, undiscovered threat hidden within our world, challenging their very existence and our own. The MonsterVerse is growing. There's the Scar King, and there's Kong. Monster battle sounds, then Godzilla on the bottom. He's going to take them both out at the same time. Let's just hope. I'm just kidding. And that's wrong with Kong. Anyways, this is from Playmates. Playmates Toys. Let's check out the bottom, guys. Looks like Godzilla's tails also is unhooked. I'm hoping this one goes a lot easier than the giant one. And there's a tail right back there. Let's get a good eye on the tail there. And this is pretty cool. Now we're going to play the sound for you guys. Are you ready to hear Godzilla roaring? We're going to put it right here. Ready? I think it's a couple sounds. Let's do it a couple times. I like how his mouth moves when he pushes the button. I'm going to still use that for a video there. So it sounds like he's using his breath there in one of them. And, of course, the war of Godzilla there. His arms move up and down. Let's free this little guy, shall we? Looks like the same kind of... I get my old trusty scissors here. Same kind of fabric right here. This one looks like it might be a little difficult. And his feet has some on the bottom of his feet there. Let's see if we can get him off here. I don't want to tear the box up. And because I wanted to see about the background. Okay, let's just start right here on this hip. See if I can get a good grip on there. Can't get a good grip on that one, so let's go ahead and just do the hand first. See if I can get a good, solid. I grab both my hands there. Sorry for the noise. I'm trying to clean up back here a little bit too and do this at the same time. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Snap that one pretty good. Okay, I look like there's an opening back here on the back here on his dorsal fin. I think I can go right back here to get a hold of him. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh, there's one right there, but I think it's connected to this one. So let's try to get him out of his dorsal fins here. I wonder in the movie why they choose pink. I wonder if they're going for the 2000 Godzilla, which I like it. Some people don't like it though, but it really doesn't bother me though. I love it. Anything Godzilla, at least people seeing Godzilla again. A lot of people don't even know who Godzilla is. This generation. Okay, now his last foot here is going to be a tricky one. Let's look at that, guys. See, look at that. Let's see if I can. I don't want to tear him up. Okay, let's see if I can. So, looks like his toe is right there. Are you doing surgery here for a second? Okay, monster surgery. So don't want to cut anything I don't want to cut. Okay. So looks like that's not gonna work. I thought I cut that bottom one out. Let's see if I can cut that. Recut that one out. You guys can see I'm trying to fulfill you guys as much as I can. Blocking view. Okay, there's that foot free. Got that foot free. Now, you gotta get this other foot free, guys. Come on, Godzilla, I'm trying my best. Alright, so let me put you guys down a little bit more here so I can let you guys see the action going on here. We're freeing Godzilla. This one's a little bit more difficult than the bigger ones. Okay, there we go. There we go. I think he's free. I think he's free. Nope, just a little looser. There, he's free. He got tangled up there. Yay! What do you say about that, Godzilla? There's that. Now let's get his tail free, guys. Let's see here. Let's see if I cut. That one don't want to cut. Let's recut position. There we go. That one's cut. Next one here. Right there. Let's get that one. Yeah, there he goes. His tail is now free. Yay! Let's get the box out of here for a second. And here's Godzilla without his tail. Let's see what the exact same thing as the other one is. Has that ball there. This one here is a little more. It's no see-through because of spikes. Let's go ahead and see if we can put it in here real fast. See if this one goes better. This one goes in a lot better. A lot better. There's the king of the monsters, guys. Look at him. Battle War Godzilla. Let's move his hands down a little bit here. Look at it. Look at his sides here. I don't know if you guys can see it good here. There's a side view of him. Check him out, guys. Ain't he beautiful? There you go. There's his back end. I can get the tail in there. See, there's the back end side of him. I wish they kept the whole color palette, but it is what it is. There's another side of him. And there's the back end of him. So that's where the batteries go. And I don't know what those are, though. I guess maybe where the parts of it go, I guess. Or anyways, there are screws. That's hidden screw. There's screws hidden, I believe. And that's where the battery is at. And there's the bottoms of his feet. Hey guys, that is Godzilla, the Battle War. Godzilla involved. From Godzilla and XCOM, the New Empire. Say goodbye, Godzilla. That'll be growling. Next, say goodbye. Bye-bye, Godzilla.